I'm just picturing like all the future possibilities now, you know? All the nights at home just sitting on the couch, eating, you know, tubs of this.
Oh. We are taste testing triple chocolate brownie cookie dough cups.
Oh my god.
That is a sentence full of delicious, Kara.
I
think Kara just died.
I can't process it. I love brownies so much. I love brownie batter so much. And you're telling me this is the best of both worlds.
This is the best of both worlds. We've done it. I think we should just open these up, Kara. Let's see what we're dealing with.
I know. These are the ones that come with everything you need, meaning it includes a spoon.
Little spoon.
And includes the brownie batter, of course. But what it doesn't include is eggs.
Eggs.
And that's why you can just eat it.
Yeah, these have just been sitting on a shelf. They don't need to be refrigerated or anything, at least not before you open them. You can just keep them in your desk drawer. You can keep them in your pantry.
I smell it. I smell the chocolatey goodness.
Oh, yeah.
Now it's triple chocolate. Why is it triple chocolate? Do we know?
I assume there's 3 chocolates.
Okay.
Is that what triple means?
We don't
Does
know.
triple still mean 3? I'm getting to know. Like they changed it.
It smells so good. And I think, you know what? I think this is gonna cure all my problems.
Oh, yeah. Ooh. That is creamy. Oh.
I got a chunk. A chocolate chunk.
There's chocolate chunk confirmed.
Oh my gosh.
So this is great because it tastes like brownie batter, but it has the consistency of cookie dough. So it's not like if you were trying to have a cup full of brownie batter, it'd be kind of like getting all over you.
It'd be runny.
It'd be really runny. This is the kind of lumpy creaminess of cookie dough.
But
Oh.
it's got the thing that I always notice with these is the sugar crystals crunching in your teeth.
Yes. The like hint of grittiness you get from like cookie dough.
It's like you know it's batter because you're crunching on the sugar crystals. That's happening.
That is so good.
Oh my gosh, this is so dangerous.
It kind of almost tastes like a underdone brownie a little bit.
Which is so good.
Which is the best kind of brownie.
Gooey brownies.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I keep getting the chunks of chocolate, which I wasn't expecting, but I guess that's one of the triple chocolates in
One
there.
of the triple chocolates.
So it must just be chocolate with chocolate chunks and something else.
So this is pretty rich, and if you can't finish the whole thing, you just put your lid back on, you pop it in the fridge, you come back to it later. It's a great little snack.
I love ice cream with cookie dough and brownie.
Yeah.
So you put this and the chocolate chip cookie dough cup that we sell, chunks of it.
Go
Holy
do that
cow.
now. Don't watch the rest of this video.
That19.com